ekuse mawungazi uzotshela ubani uKing Chinji Takrike Rivari bafethu ekuse mawukuthi uhlukumezekile kwi relationship yakho or ufila ngathi kunezinto ezibhaya ezenzakalayo ungayizithethe mntana sekhaya ngikhona I can help you I can pull up in your hood nginithathe ngebhasta sekhaya nizohlukana nje la hey yo Mzansi ngithi nginibulise bafethu emakhaya ngamakhaya kama uKing Chinji uCream Dala Cream into engiyenzayo ngidila nemjolo imini ugqirha imini inyanga imini isangoma imini idlozi lomjolo ngikhathele abantu abafebayo ngikhathele abantu abamapolygamist angekho emthethweni I am here to help you mawukuthi indoda yakhe yakuhlukumeza or yakunyakazisa khuluma nami mina ngisabi mawukuthi uCherry wakho ngathi uyaspita une voice eloud mlethela ngizodila naye mina mfethu la uthanda ungathandi kuyahlukanwa Mzansi I'm doing this for you Mzansi I'm setting you free. Don't stuck on an abusive relationship. Don't stuck on something that doesn't work. I am here for you. Angisakufuni hlukanani live la on the cameras. We don't give a you know the story. It's Bibli King. Another thing into engifuna ukuthi uyenze wena ohleli lapha buka le episode. Please make sure that you press that like, you subscribe, you comment. Ngiyanithanda Mzansi. Let me take you to this episode. Ngizwe ukuthi ubani oye brief vandag. Take me to it. Hey yo, boom. It's your boy King Chinji Cream Dala Cream. Bathi mtimanje umabuye ubambolunye uhlasa. Welcome to Ayisakufuni. On this show is whereby I give people a platform to break up. No way, bring it up now. Hey, essentially like towards you. What made you go to Why the Ayeniasho ukuthi bayibhelishisa mkhulu. Hayido. Ayeniasho uyasho ukuthi bayibhelishisa. Inkinga usekhathele yisene. King Chinji Cream Dala Cream, it's going crazy, it's going bananas. Welcome to King Chinji TV. Alukho usuku olungafiki. Every dog it's got its own day. You shall my brother ukhona uyakhala kumina uthi King Chinji please set me free mfethu I'm in this relationship but I can see ukuthi I got the opposite one because mina mfethu I'm a cool person ngithanda abantu abayiphethe ngendlela eright abakhuliswe ngaphansi kwe yabona nje mfethu the guy is looking for umuntu all right hayi nje uphuma singene upotsho uputshu patsha but let me bring in my brother so that he can be the one that is explaining to us ukuthi what exactly going on with relationship yakhe How are you, man?
I'm okay, my guy.
Good, man. Your name is?
My name is Lyle.
Lyle. Please greet our viewers and please, Lyle, take us through what's going on in your relationship.
How's it, guys? So basically, I've been dating this girl for 2 years.
2 years.
Okay, Nomtandazo, okay? Everything was fine. Everything was okay, you know, in the first year, you know.
Yeah.
But as time went on, I started realizing that no man, this woman, she's not having time for me anymore, brah. You know, so me, I'm fed up, brah. You know, me, I'm done because now she's been making excuses. You know, it's like I'm making myself a stupid.
True.
Yes.
True. Yeah.
So I'm good.
So take us in. What are these things that you feel like she's lacking on, that is lacking in the spark that is lacking in this relationship? What is it that you were looking for on Nomtandazo?
Bruh, I was looking for a long term settling down.
Okay.
You understand? I was looking for love. You know, someone I can build with. You know, someone I can get married to. You understand?
For sure.
But I can see for myself that I'm making myself a fool.
Where is she lacking?
There's no more us spending time together. No more going out. No more quality time. No more having me time.
Yeah.
No more going out like a couple. You understand?
Yeah.
So it's not working for me.
You
anymore,
mentioned
bruh.
the church part.
Bruh, I've been inviting this woman to church. I've been telling her, babe, you know what? We need to grow together spiritually as well.
Yeah.
You understand? So that we can You know, look at this thing of becoming one
Yeah,
day.
yeah.
So how are we gonna go forward if we don't have spiritual guidance,
Connection,
connections, guidance? You know, because I mean, a couple that they prays together stays together.
For
But we
sure.
don't have that, bruh. We don't have that anymore. Where we can come together and then talk about God and then moving this thing forward spiritually. Because that thing for me is important, bruh.
Yeah, for sure.
You
man.
understand?
I
We
understand.
can't just be in a relationship and there's no God in our relationship. You
Yeah.
understand? We're not going anywhere. We are
Yeah,
not building
true,
on. We are
true,
building on
true.
what?
Yeah.
So
yeah.
for me, that thing, yeah, pora, that thing.
Yeah,
bruh.
Poran.
Yeah,
So,
pora.
my brother, what do you want to say to her when we bring her here in this seat?
So tampa.
Oh, you want to tell her something?
Yeah, ang phone anymore, bruh.
Yeah.
Ang phone this chick anymore, bruh.
Yeah, no.
I'm done. I'm breaking up with her. I'm calling it quits from today.
Sure.
Keep random for it. Keep sharp. Keep sharp.
So I have welcome here. He's got two options for you. He's got option one, where when you're done dumping her, we can give her 50 rand. She take a taxi there. She goes to Bree, from Bree go to Kasi.
Yeah.
Or second option, when you're done dumping her, you can go back with her the same bus we.
Ang phone that thing.
Oh, fun.
It's ang phone. Rather you guys give her 50 rand. She can catch a taxi. Hamang mo chozi. The background.
Welcome. Bring her in. My brother, so tell me, have you already got someone that understands and connects with?
No. For now, I want to take my time, heal, and just spend time with myself and, just heal and, yeah. But for
Heal.
now, I'm good with women, bruh. I've
only travel
investing in
to-
this thing and then I'm not getting back what I've put in.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure. Sisi ungahlala ngapha. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
I'm good too.
Shap. Ubani kama sisi?
Nomthandazo.
Nomthandazo. So Nomthandazo, tell me about you. What is it that you like nje ukuyenza? Yizini izinto oyithandayo?
Oh, okay. Mina ngithanda ukuphuma nabangani bami, ngithanda ukufunda. Yeah, that's what I like.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So ubhuti kade sitshela ngawe the way nithandana kahle ngakhona.
Yeah.
Wena ungathi nje uyithandayo ngayo?
Ngithanda ukuthi he's very honest, loving and caring. That's what I love about him.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So niyaba nesikhathi together nje niyithole uthando waya.
Yeah, we do, but lately kushintshile yazi. Uhlala esontweni ngaso sonke isikhathi. Every time usesontweni ukube kuya ngaye ngabe uya esontweni from Sunday to Sunday. Like ushintshile, I don't know what's happening. Besi right all along, but
So
lately
yini wena yini isonto yalisaba yini noSathane yini sisi?
no, anginayo Sathane ngiya bengiya esontweni, but nje lately angisayi ngoba uspend isikhathi esiningi esontweni asakhona ukwenza izinto zasendlini ukuthi sispend isikhathi siwumndeni nezingane and stuff. So no, mina I put family first and again ubeka isonto phambili.
My brother.
Yo.
My brother kunento afuna ukukutshela yona.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, ukuthi yena lento wena okhala ngayo yena useyikhethile mfowethu. Can you please explain to her that yena you already chose a spiritual relationship, my brother, and please tell her everything. She's spoiling this side.
Nomthandazo.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, I told you, if we're going to be investing together, long term,
Yeah.
we need God in this relationship.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
At the end of the day, we need spiritual guidance.
For
You
sure.
understand? Because tomorrow, when we have problems in our marriage, you understand? How are we going to fix it? Because look at how things are now.
Family can fix our problems, not church.
Family?
Yes.
You
You see what the problem is? He's spending so much time at church. You always at church, Sunday to Sunday. You don't spend time with me. You don't spend time with kids.
Come with me to church and you'll see why.
Yeah.
What's the fun in being at church? You understand?
But-
maybe
But
this thing,
another thing. Your kids, you must spend time with your kids. It's not his kids.
exactly.
Yeah, it's your kids. So you need to spend time with your kids. Don't put him in ukuthi he doesn't spend time with
What is family?
No, sister. No.
I'm
Yeah.
asking, what is family?
You're in trouble here.
But at the end of the day,
yeah.
for us to be a family, we need to have God in our lives.
Yeah, bo.
Ukwenzelani uGod? Let's asiqale lapho ke. Ukusiza.
I told you in the beginning.
You see, it's testing God. You see, it's
In the beginning of this
testing God.
relationship,
I'm
I told
not.
her where I stand. You understand?
Yeah.
And she was fine with it. She
Yeah.
was okay with it.
Yeah.
I don't mind us going out. I don't mind us spending time together. And
But
that's what I
don't-
want, bruh. But at the end of the day, that's what I'm also choosing. You understand? I'm putting God.
So it's complaining that you're choosing God first. Test-
God is the head. Then the man. Then the wife and the children.
Hello, the man is the head, not God. You are the
Ah,
head, not God.
It's God first, then me, then my wife, then my girlfriend, then the
Also,
children.
hanging is second option. Is that what you're saying?
This
But
woman-
God is first. He's saying it.
Aye.
Why you want to change
No,
him?
I'm not denying that.
Ah,
but yena-
Umoshi's cat is.
Umoshi's cat. And mtshele, my brother, mtshele ukuthi it's over.
I brought you here because I'm actually done. I'm so sorry to do this. Like
So
in
why
this
you
space.
uzongitshela la?
Yes, so that kuzoba ne-proof
I-proof yani?
yokuthi akasakufuni.
I'm sorry.
Why
but I
lana
can't do it
ifika ngitshela
anymore.
nasendlini? Uthanda amehla abantu. Uthanda amehla abantu.
I've been asking you, let us meet because I wanted to speak to you. You've been
Meet
making
where?
excuses.
When you-
You've been going with your friends. You've been telling me, nah.
Busy
eh,
naye
eh, eh.
ngomfundisi kuyaphithizela nasendlini
I'm not. Why would I invite you to church if I'm busy with someone at church?
Yeah.
I said to you,
Yeah.
let us meet so we can speak, so we can talk about our problems. We've been having problems and you've been avoiding it.
Yeah.
Now, man, I'm done. So
Yeah.
so I said to myself, I'm gonna call you here today.
Sure.
So I'm gonna tell you that I can't do
Also
this
making
anymore.
things worse.
No, I'm not.
You
no,
are.
but it's true. And you know what is another thing that makes me happy, my brother, is that I
Before ukuthi siyahlukana.
No,
You are the devil.
Oh,
You are the devil.
I told you it's testing God this
Yeah.
way. But can I say this? I'm proud of you, my brother, that when you see that you are having problems in your relationship,
relationship. Yo.
I'm proud of you that when you see that you are having problems, you step up front, you talk about them and you fix them in the right way because
to, I'm the man.
Exactly. Because now people like this, they are the ones that also push you into doing wrong things. How
Exactly.
can you
Nothing right kukhona amakhamera lana bese singayiqala sikhulume kahle endlini bese siza la ongithatha uthe siya kuphi uzongiletha la for the what?
Yeah.
I've been telling you that we need to speak. There's certain things we need to sort out.
somewhere. Wakhetha ukuza la.
Iyo.
Uthanda amehla
There's
abantu.
counseling at church.
Counseling.
There's counseling at church
Yeah,
as well.
yeah.
There's a pastor that could have spoken to us. You understand?
Inkinga yakho iqala lapho pastor this pastor that I'm tired.
Okay, then it's fine then. Because if you can't walk with me spiritually,
Yeah.
then we cannot be
And my
together.
brother, can I tell you, there is a line in a holy book that says, we are living with devils.
We are.
Wena
We are.
kusathatha
The times we are living in
involved,
today, bruh.
lapha
Look at what's happening inside out here
Yeah.
in this world
Yeah.
that we're living
and
in.
also look
Eh?
at this now.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I must set up with this.
No.
How can I be
How
in this
can you
relationship?
even know that she's
Who's
for real? Maybe she's
I am
Maybe
for
she's
real.
said-
Elida.
Exactly.
Baby, how
Exactly.
many years now? Mbuza, I'm for real. Yikho behleli. Suspend.
You haven't gone to church with me once.
Once.
Why are you so against
Scared of
church?
church.
Sithanda endlini.
Welcome. Uputi, at least
Akho at least.
he's saying goodbye nicely. He's giving you 50 rand. Uzogibela itext lapha free. From
Yeah,
free uzogibela uyele.
Awusala mina
Because I
naye
exist,
sisazotholana.
No, ngeke
Sisazomthola.
Yeah, it's fine.
Akakuzwa
Hayi,
kubona.
Hamba sis.
ngiyangizwa.
Hayi, hamba
Hayi,
sis.
isikhathi esithi uyasazi
Hayi hamba sisi.
sisazotholana.
Hayi mina ni right. Yeah, I grand.
Bahlangana abantu bahlangana.
Hayi bokelile
Ah, it's
nesicelo.
fine.
How? Uhlulwa
Hamba
yisonto.
kahle. Bye bye.
My brother, I feel like your girlfriend was a bit possessed.
I think so too.
I think so. I'm telling you.
We can't even go in a room together and pray for our problems. Then she goes and she's disrespectful, this woman, bro.
You
Nah,
can't
me, I'm
disrespect the head.
good. Exactly.
The
So
Almighty.
tomorrow in marriage, she's gonna tell me,
Huh.
nah. No, I'm good, bro.
Can't.
Aye.
We can't. How you feeling though? Whereas you released the heat and the tension you had in you.
I'm a bit upset. I'm gonna miss her. Honestly speaking, I'm gonna miss her. But at the end of the day, bro, I need to put my happiness first also because this thing has been toxic.
No, for sure.
I'm not doing toxic relationships. I'm okay. I'm good. So there's a relief. I can feel my shoulders are becoming a light now. You understand? It's becoming a little
Happy
bit
for
light.
you, my man. Don't worry. Welcome. We'll put you in the car, and then we're gonna be driving you out. Don't worry, my brother. And
Thank you so
feel
much,
free.
guys.
If you are having some difficulties continuously with her, please report back to us. We'll definitely put a protection order on her.
Definitely, my man. Thank
Sharp,
you so
sharp.
much. Appreciate it, bra.
Thank you, bra.
Thank you,
And
Chief.
continue going church.
We'll definitely do.
Sharp, sharp.
Danko.
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 Danko. King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. This is Angisakufuni. As you can see, nowadays, the king is in English. Nowadays, I have to make them break up in English because I'm about that. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. It's sad to see someone doesn't understand the spiritual Sundays. Take me to it. Take me home. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. But some demand to Mabuyu, Bampoluyu, Stars. Welcome to Angisakufuni. On this show is where I give people a platform to break up. No way, breaking up now. Hey!
Isishintshile like towards you.
What made you go to Why the food? Why the Inking usekhathelise